Check out the beauty of Costa Rica. Well, follow me on my new series, Exploring with Becky. So we're here today in Nosara. I'm here with some of my team, and it is raining, guys, but it doesn't matter if it's raining in Costa Rica because it's part of our charm. As you can see, check out how incredible the view is. Eckhart's a pool boy. He comes with the property free of purchase, and so do some of my team members. They can help you with anything that you might need. Pura vida. So we're here with Omar, who is the listing agent for this incredible new listing, Casa Esmeralda. This is the first time actually that I've been in this community. So I have a lot of questions. Why would somebody want to live in this particular spot?
Definitely here you find great ocean views. It's a 173-acre reserve, so you won't have really houses in front of you. You have a lot of nature around you. Everything is green now in the rainy season. So yeah, it's a great place to be. And yeah, a lot of good views.
So basically this is a community where if you want your privacy, but you still want the greater things in life as well, you can have it all here in Bosque Verde.
Yes, definitely Bosque Verde is a great place to invest.
Well, if you're looking for the best, keep Casa Esmeralda on your radar. Pura vida. So we're here with our top agent and Nosara resident, Julian Monge. We're gonna be asking him a few questions about the area. What do you think the type of person that wants to be here, what would that profile be? What do you think the person that wants to buy here, why? Why would it be?
So it would be somebody that's wellness oriented, or maybe digital nomads, or people that want to live a lifestyle connected but also disconnected.
It makes the perfect sense, and I can see why people like it here. It's also beautiful and usually sunny. Today a little bit rainy, but this is an incredible spot, guys, and you have to check it out.
Bye-bye.
Estamos en el Jardín Coffee Bus en Nosara y estoy acá con el dueño Felipe. Escuché un poquito de voz de tus amigos, mis agentes. Dice que sos muy famoso aquí. No sé si nos puede contar un poquito acerca de tu negocio, porque te mudaste acá de chef, etcétera.
Claro, mi nombre es Felipe Vic, es mucho gusto. Soy chef y bueno, parte de mi carrera siempre ha sido como buscar algo en la playa y bueno, ahora como que estoy acá con el bus hace 3 años y estoy muy feliz de poder contar con un buen cafecito. Tenemos bastantes opciones de desayuno, almuerzo, estamos abiertos de 7 a 9 de la noche y sí, estoy bastante contento. Vengan a visitarnos cuando quieran.
Estamos para apoyar. A mí me encanta de los dueños que son de acá y apoyando a los negocios locales también. Así que muchas gracias por tenernos acá y 2 thumbs up. You gotta try it. Pura vida.
Linda.
Hola amigos, we are here at the Mala Noche Catarata. This is the place that we've been told that we have to see while we're here in Nosara. So this is a short 15-minute walk. Let's go and take a look. So to get to this river, you have to actually walk in the river sometimes. You'll cross back and forth a few times and then cut through a finca. But it's really an adventure, it's fun, and it's not hard. We made it!
Nosara doesn't try too hard, and that's exactly the point. You fall into a rhythm without realizing it. Early mornings, clean food, ocean swims, and jungle hikes that reset your head. There's no rush here, but somehow you get more done, mentally, physically, and even creatively. If you're into real balance without the noise, Nosara just makes sense.
Love exploring Nosara with me? Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us for more episodes of Exploring with Becky.